What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sometimes you swing and a miss. You load up, you have a plan, you have customers, and then they don't show up for you. So I just loaded up my trailer this morning, and then I went and dropped off a front load set at one of my suppliers down in Salt Lake because I got some haul away machines I'm gonna go pick up, and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna have enough room. And so I go drop them off. They're like, yeah, sure, that's fine, you can drop them off and we'll have you come pick them back up. Anyways, do that, and then I drive down to my appointment, get here, and I'm like, oh, the apartment number's not on the address. And then I remembered that the apartment address looks more like a normal address instead of an apartment number. But then she had text when I sent her a response or a text with my ETA. She said, yeah, just go ahead and go in and hook everything up. So then I go to open the door, it's locked. I ring the doorbell, knock, it's no answer. I call her, I'm like, yeah, I'm here, no one's answering, and it's locked. She's like, oh, maybe you can go into the office. I was like, yeah, that's what I was thinking. And so I go into the office because it's right around the corner, and they're like, oh, we can't give you keys until she's paid, and she hasn't paid yet. I'm like, oh man, are you serious right now? And I'd taken payment from her already. I got like all her payment method stuff added when I was sitting outside her front door. And so I'm like, oh man, because I'm just super busy today. Like, I'm not gonna be able to come back down today unless it was like super late, which I don't really want to do. I mean, maybe I will do. Anyways, the office is closed tomorrow for Juneteenth, the national holiday everyone has off. And so I came clear down here, drove all the way down here. Now I'm remembering I'm low on gas. I need to fill up on gas, but yeah, you're gonna have ups and downs in the business. You're gonna have callbacks. You're gonna have machines that leak, and dryers that won't start, and dryers that catch the tube on fire because there are shorts in the circuit system. And you're gonna have customers that aren't paying. That's one that I'm gonna go do today. A lot of questions are, what percentage of people don't pay? And it ranges from 5 to 8 to 10% of your customers at any given time. Their payment hasn't gone through, and so you gotta call and text and email and Facebook message them and do all those things to try and collect payment. And sometimes they're cards. I mean, we're dealing with renters, and specifically renters that maybe can't afford to buy the machines, and so they need to load the funds onto their card or unlock their card. And so you're constantly reaching out to them pretty much every day. We're at like 237 customers, something like that. And yeah, every day my wife's reaching out to people to get payment. Of those 237, we just have currently one that is in the state of needing to have their machines picked up because they're not paying. So it's pretty low that you get to the point where you need to go pick up machines from a customer due to non-payment. But it is pretty consistently out there that you do need to do that. So anyways, just thought I would give you an update for how the morning's going so far. So I'm gonna go pick up these haul away machines, try and stop by this guy that needs to make payment but hasn't been, keeps stringing us along. And then I'm gonna go do a front load set install. Hopefully that goes well. The guy can help me lift it up the stairs. Kind of awkward. So we're gonna do that, and then I'm heading up north to do another install of a new set. Buy from a wholesaler here in Salt Lake. So if you're buying new machines, try and look for distributors, wholesalers that will sell you machines for a little bit cheaper than retail. And someone commented on, can you tell us what is all needed to get started? So maybe I'll do a video about that here soon. Like and subscribe, comment below any questions you have, and we'll see you on the next one.